Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a simple adventure item. This thing is going to revolutionize the way you store things. So I keep these in my camera bag. They're called Think Tank Red Whips. And if you haven't heard of these before, I'll just explain really quickly what they are. They're very simple yet very functional. So I'll move that out of the way and we'll just show you a single one. This is made from just shock cord that's stretchy, and it also has a cord lock on it too, so you can position it, just squeeze it and position it along the shock cord. But this is like what you'd find in the bottom of your jacket that you cinch down, nice and tight along your waist. Things like that. They're used in all kinds of outdoor gear. But the unique thing about these is you can use them for travel, you can use them for photography, you can use them for everyday life, really. Let me show you how. If you're getting a little bit of value out of this, hit that like button too while I'm grabbing this cord. That would be really helpful for the channel. But say you have this laptop cord and you just want to cinch it up so it doesn't get all crazy in your bag and so that it's easy to find. All you have to do is put a red whip on it, and now you stick it in your bag. It's easy to pull out, it's easy to find in your bag because it's red, and it's nice, neat, and tidy, right? So you can use these for multiple things. Say you have a charge cord for a laptop, say you have just some cable management that you want to do at your desk. I'll show you kind of how that works. This is just a light stand, but imagine you have a post coming off your desk with a monitor mounted to it. Basically what you can do is you can take a red whip, put it around the post here, and then you can take your cables. Let's just pretend that this is a cable on your desk, and you just wrap this around, flop it over the top, and cinch it down, and now you've got some really nice cable management at your desk. You can buy these only in red right now, but one of my suggestions to Think Tank would be to offer them in different colors. So if you have all black on your desk, you get some of these, and in black they'll just kind of fade off into the distance and you won't even see them, but you'll have nice, wonderful cable management. So that's a couple different uses. I'm sure you can think of 20 other uses around your house to use these things. They come in a pack of 12. So there's 10 6-inch ones, and then there's also 2 7.5-inch ones. They cost $12.75. So they're about $1 a piece, a little bit over, but for the money, these things are really helpful and great. Now, the best thing that you can do to help out my channel here is to not only hit like you did before, but hit the subscribe button down below. That will help out the channel immensely, and I really, really appreciate it. Check back on the channel for some additional reviews. We've got a lot of unboxings coming up. But again, the red whips, there's not a ton to say about them other than they're awesome. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.